Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Slurps Fresh Noodle Fridays. It's been a hot minute since I've been home, so I'm so excited to finally bring you a fresh noodle dish today. So today I'm going to be making spaghetti al limone. This is made in a Roman style cooking method, just like how you would make carbonara or pasta alla gricia, and it is very, very simple. Just a few simple ingredients here. We've got your starchy pasta water, your pasta of your choice, lots of freshly ground black pepper, lots of lemon zest, and of course, Parmesan cheese and whatever fresh herb you have on hand. It's incredibly simple, great for a weeknight meal, and it's something that I like to make a lot. So enough of me talking, let's go ahead and give it a try.
All right, we've got our list of ingredients here. So I have a bunch of flat leaf parsley, a couple tablespoons of butter, bunch of garlic, you could do less if you want, fresh oregano, optional, 2 lemons, I got some pasta dough, or you use 1 pound of dried, and Parmesan cheese. So as mentioned, I am making my own spaghetti here, but of course, if you want to use dried, just use 1 pound or 500 grams. And we're gonna add our pasta to some hot boiling and heavily salted water. We want to make sure that our pasta is nicely seasoned. Go ahead and dump that in, but before you do, save 1 cup of that starchy pasta water. Onto our skillet, add some olive oil there and about 3 tablespoons of butter. We're going to go ahead and use our microplane to grate some of that wonderful garlic so it's a bit more of a paste. And over medium heat, yes, medium because we don't want to burn the garlic, we're going to go ahead and stir fry that. And then, of course, saute and add our zested lemons, 2 lemons in there. So that starchy pasta water is going to come in handy here. Add that into the pan. You should hear a nice big sizzle. And then adding in our pasta, lowering the heat down to low, and then alternating between salt, pepper, as well as some Parmesan cheese until everything's incorporated. Chop up your fresh herbs, so flat leaf parsley and our fresh oregano, and then add it on top. Wonderful, wonderful.
If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe in the link down below. And don't forget to hit that notification bell just at the top right-hand corner so you don't miss any new videos that are coming out. We'll see you next week. Bye!